Little 2-hole challenge, coffee talk with Henry Lockwood, Hank. Really, let's be honest, this is just a ruse for him to play some golf. We came out here to do the Stella Blue Coffee golden mug shoot, and he's like, well, we really should do a 2-hole challenge. So here's the 2-hole challenge.
I just thought of what we should do.
Oh, okay, what should we do, play 18 holes?
Well, that's what we really should do. It's a par 4 and a par 3.
Okay.
Me and you breaking 20.
20, okay.
Let's play together, play as a team. Also, we
Okay.
only have like 4 clubs, so we're gonna have to be creative.
Yeah, but I only need driver and putter. Everyone knows my game. All right, so, no wait, par 4, par 3?
14, that's 14, we have to break 20.
To combine.
Yes.
Taking all of our shots.
Yes.
That's no problem for me.
All right.
Put me down for a 7 total. All right, you go first then.
Okay.
That's yours. That's yours. This is mine.
2 drive.
Yeah.
I like
this
that.
is custom made for me. I went and they were like, we've never seen so much power in one man. Oh, you're gonna love that.
All right, we're dropping.
You're gonna love that.
We're starting at 3. We're starting with 3.
What's?
That's a drop.
Where's my shot? I'm gonna shoot. I'm gonna fucking pipe this right down the middle. No problem.
That's not how you want to start.
Ready for this?
Nice. That's actually a fantastic drive.
No shit it is. Look at that. Can we get shot tracer on that? I just put it right in the middle of the fairway. This guy golfs. This guy golfs. He sucks. I'm so much better than him at golf. I don't know why you wanted to play this. Like, dude, we've learned that I'm a better golfer than you, and I don't golf. You think you can play it from over there, Hank? He's back in the torture chamber too, where he's like watching me whisper into the camera, like, what is he saying? Hey, hold on.
These are my clubs.
Oh, those are your clubs?
Just feels a lot bigger.
Great clubs, though.
Oh, beautiful, Hank. You might have gotten to where my drive was.
Great we're back. I think that's decent.
I'm gonna break 90. I'm gonna break 90 on these 2 holes, that's for sure.
We're gonna break one. 80 yards in. Maybe hit a nice
Driver off the deck.
Agreed.
What are we, like, how far away are we?
I would say we're less than 100 yards.
Okay.
Probably between 80 and 100.
So take a little off driver off the deck. 80, 100 yards out. Just a nice little driver off the deck. 100 yards out, no problem. Stop. Okay, a little too much, that's okay. That's okay, that's totally okay. Where's the second
I
ball?
only hit a 5 iron. Right here. Par 3.
Oh, I thought it was gonna be 2 shots, 2 lost balls.
I'm gonna kick mine down. It's really, really close.
Decent second shot, but it's my 4th shot, so gotta get up and down here. Don't have any wedges, so I'm gonna try and do an 8 iron bump and run. All right, we're gonna do that again. Oh, come on. That's exactly what I wanted to do. Just fucking went left.
Breaking 20 may have been
What do you mean?
an aggressive call.
No.
Right.
It's 14. We have 6 strokes.
Yeah,
Like
correct.
We have to break 20.
I don't know.
Little bump and run.
Yeah.
Sit. There's the bump. There's the run. Now it's running.
I think we putt.
Oh, no shit, bro.
All right, Big Cat's shooting for par. I'm shooting
What if I just sunk this?
Double. I mean, the man can putt.
So you're going first?
Read the screen for me real quick. Okay. Oh no! Oh no!
This is a disaster.
This is bad!
Disaster.
Oh no! Get it!
Oh, all right. So, well,
You gotta hit that.
That's it. Fuck.
That's not good.
I'm not.
You have to hit this. There you go.
All right. I'm in for 8.
Okay, what am I shooting right here?
You
5?
were shooting 5.
No! That's good. That's good. 6.
Okay. So
6. That was
So
a
you
6.
both need to bar.
No, I count goods as no shot. That was a 6.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was a
Yeah,
6.
but he got an 8.
You got an 8, I got a 6.
Yeah, so 2 pars, we're fine. I'll get a birdie and we'll win.
That was a good 6.
Great 6. This little driver. Right in the middle.
Another winning hole for you.
Easy.
Feel like we're back in Texas.
Yeah.
All right, par birdie, easy.
You're expecting me to get a birdie?
Yeah.
Okay.
Why not a 1?
You know, if we had both gotten 6s there, we would have been in fine shape.
Yeah, I'm not proud of my performance, and like I know we're just having fun, but like this is on video, and people are just gonna fucking roast me. But that's fine. We're gonna birdie this.
Don't roast him. I just want PSA.
You're gonna par.
Please don't roast Hank. He takes golf very seriously. Do not say mean.
I came here for work. I just happened to be wearing this outfit, but like I wasn't even expecting to swing a club. So
Same.
about 160.
Okay. Just take a little off.
Wait.
Straight. This is a straight leg shot.
Okay, good.
Straight leg shot. Oh, let me take another one. This is a straight leg shot. First shot, straight leg shot. Yeah, there it is. 4. I think I hit the first tee. I'm kind of spraying it. I'll take a drop. I'll take a drop on the green.
That should work.
Yeah. Take a drop on the green. I might have hit like 4 people so far. Straighten your legs a little more. Oh, hey!
Oh my God. Get in.
A little too much.
Fine.
Oh, nice. Good shot,
You
Hank.
might have just found something with me there.
Yeah, I'm sure that was the shot that changed your entire golf game to make you a pro.
Oh yeah.
All right, nice shot. You see that? Nice shot.
This wasn't a shot.
This was exactly where the shot went. Great shot by me. Wish I wasn't in the second cut, hitting a pitching wedge here. Second shot, par 3. Little bump and run.
Oh yeah.
There's the bump. And right off the bag, on the green. What a shot. Meant to do that. That's how it's done, folks. Make sure whenever you're golfing, put carts, put bags, put shirts, put everything along the green. That way, if you hit one a little too hard, it catches it and brings it back.
Just playing the course.
Yeah. And that's a par. And that's a par. That's how it's done, folks. Easy as could be. Nice par by me. Beautiful. You just drive it a little bit past the green, hit it off your bag, back there, and just be an incredible putter like myself. Golf is pretty easy when you do it this way.
So wait, so this is the break 20.
Yeah, We're right
Completely-
now, we're at 17. We're at
No, this would
17.
be
We're at 18.
18.
Yeah, we're at 18. No pressure though. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, so we're gonna get 20 on the dot.
Damn.
Well, that's so breaking 20. 20 on the dot. All right. We did it. I did it, but we did it. I shot a 9 there out of 2 holes. He shot 11. Strokes. It's all right. Good round. And that's Coffee Talk with Hank Lockwood doing in his office the golf course.
Thank you for having me. Class
Go buy
cold brew.
Go buy cold brew right now. Perfect for the golf course.